Neci and Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to use the reverse or backstitch button of the Brother LX2375 series sewing machine. So I have my scrap fabric here. This is a faux leather, and here is the reverse stitch button. Now we use the reverse stitch button as a way to reinforce our stitch so that it doesn't come out. Okay, first thing we need to do is cut our machine on, and I'm going to just do one simple stitch for you. So when I'm starting my stitch, I'm going to start it about a ½ inch from the top. So let's line it up here. And normal stitch functions. And I put my needle in the fabric. I'm going to hold the reverse button and push the foot pedal so that I go back 2 stitches or 3. Okay, then I'm going to go forward. I let go of the button and I'm going to go forward and sew. All right, when I get close to the end, I'm going to do a few more back stitches before I hit the end of the fabric. 1, 2, 3, and I go on off the fabric. Okay, so there we go. So we have a reverse stitch at the bottom and we have a reverse stitch at the top. And we do this in order to reinforce our stitch so that it doesn't come out. So that is how you use the reverse stitch button of the Brother LX2375 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe below. Hit the notification bell so that you know about our next tutorials. Follow us on our socials. Join the email list that is in the description tab. Thank you for watching and happy sewing.